I'm Tana Fryer and I want to welcome you to the RV Foodie. Today, we're going to be using some locally purchased clams that we got at Pike's Market, and we're going to be doing chowder because we're right at the edge of fall. A couple years ago, I was able to visit Taylor Shellfish Farms. I was really excited on this day to find their sustainably farmed clams at Pike's Market. The first thing I do when I get to the Pacific Northwest is look for the best place to get some chowder. And for a long time I thought it was really difficult to make, but clam chowder is super easy. So we're going to start off with our pot of clams and 4 cups of water, and all we're going to do is bring this to a boil, let them open. It's only going to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to take it off. We're going to reserve this juice. So while the clams are cooking, I'm going to do a little prep work. I've already chopped up our celery and our onions, and I'm going to chop up a little bit of garlic. I'm cutting up our potatoes in bite-sized chunks. Some recipes tell you to peel them. I actually like leaving the skins on. They're really great potatoes, and why waste? We've had this on for 6 minutes. I'm gonna leave it for just a couple more. You can see how our clams are opening. Now, there's certain things that you just make do with when you're in a tiny kitchen, an RV, like this is my slotted spoon. I have to have all my utensils fit right in there, and so we don't have one of everything. I remember the first time I made this. It says add 4 cups of water and then have 6 cups of liquid when we're done. That never happens when you boil water. I was like, what the hell? And sure enough, you get more than you started with. Our clams have been all pulled from their shells. They're all cooled, and now we're just gonna chop them up so we get a little bit of clam in almost every bite. Our bacon is starting to brown. Now we're going to add the onions, the celery, and the garlic and let them begin to cook together. Potatoes are nice and tender. Now we're going to make a little bit of a slurry. What's a slurry? It's just a combination of a little bit of water and a little bit of cornstarch. And this is what's going to thicken our chowder. I like my chowder a little on the thinner side. You might like yours thicker. You can just cook it down a little bit more and it'll thicken up. The flavor is perfect. A nice loaf of fresh bread. Dip that in there and soak up all that deliciousness. Cheers.